Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon version of the Irish flag. Now, to start off with this, we want to make a nice tall line for the flagpole right here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a nice straight line down like this. And if it's a little bit curved, a little bit at an angle, kind of like mine is, it's totally fine. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to add a little curve on top. And then I'm just going to go straight down just like this. And then at the bottom here, I'm just going to add another little curve. Now, I want to start here and I want to draw a line that's going to go up, down, and then back up like this. So I'm going to start right here at the top and I'm just going to curve up and then down and then back up like this. And then I want to do the same thing down here. So I'm going to start at about the middle point of the pole and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then it's going to curve back up like this. And then I want to connect these two lines with a nice straight line. Now, I'm going to be dividing these when I color them. I don't want to just put the lines in here right now because I'm going to do that when I color because it's going to be green, white, and orange. But what I do want to do is I want to add a little face onto here. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a circle for an eye. And then I'm going to add another little circle right over here for an eye. And then I'm going to add a circle inside each one. And then I'm just going to color this in. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to add a little smiley face like this for the mouth. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that just goes down and then back up like this. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line for a tongue. And then I'm just going to color this part in too, just to make a little cartoon face on the flag. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Irish flag in a little cartoon form. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.